Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Tuesday, October 2nd, 2012. This morning I'm going to focus on something just a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and show you the 30-minute chart. And I want you to notice we had talked about this potential support line all morning, and it's right down here around 1432. We talked about it. Once it started to hit there, we said we wanted to be careful. Even though it took 30, 60, 90 minutes, this is a longer time frame chart. So when you're a little bit uncertain about a trade direction, move to your higher time frame charts. Take a step back, and it'll give you a better perspective. Now let's go ahead and look at the lower time frame chart. The market opened up this morning here at 1443.25, represented by this white dotted line. We generally don't trade from 9:30 to 9:45. Immediately coming out of the no trade zone, we had downside pressure, an opportunity to get short. Target 1 and target 2 hit for a total of 11 ticks. Continuing on into the morning, we had a nice little pullback. An opportunity to get short again to ride it down. Target 1 was hit. We got stopped out. We saw in market internal indicators as well as a wave trade crossed against us here. Exited for a loss of 1 tick. Market continued. Even though we had a cross of the moving averages to the upside, we found resistance on the opening price for a sell-off, retracement, continuation, a total of 7 ticks. Target 1 and target 2 hit for a total of 7 ticks. Then, hindsight's always 20/20. You can see even some of our momentum indicators are pointing down. Tried an opportunity to get long here, and the market internals went against us quickly. It took a loss of minus 8 ticks total. Then we went into a no trade zone from 11:30 till 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. Notice the sideways movement in this particular market. Coming out of the no trade zone, an opportunity to get long. Got target 1 off and got stopped out for minus 2 ticks, only to be followed through. When you get a stop out, be aware of where your price action is working in relationship to the moving average. An opportunity to get short. Target 1 was hit, took a little pressure before it dropped off for a total of 13 ticks in that particular trade. I want you to notice something here. We'll go ahead and pop on you can see a channel developing very nicely here. And when it did, the high right here at 1434.5, I was telling people that I'm looking at putting a buy order above the 1434.5 or below the low here at 1432.25 for this to continue lower. But remember the 30-minute chart we just looked at. 1432 was a key support level. It went on for about an hour and a half before we had a nice little break to the upside. A little bit of downside pressure before it launched off easily 4 ticks for 1 point, 8 ticks for 2 points. We eventually hit our ultimate target of 4 points. So on this particular trade, it's called a shark attack trade. 2 points and 4 points, a total of 6 points on that particular trade. And then we went into the no trade zone. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you. Have a great night, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.